Second sum, obtain the value of f dash 0.04 using Bessel's formula given in the table below. X value 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, 0.04, 0.05, 0.06. Corresponding f of x value 0.1023, 0.1047, 0.1071, 0.1096, 0.1122, 0.1148. Here the question itself given. Use Bessel's formula. Use Bessel's formula given x value 0.04. The 0.04 is available in the x table. The same value available x0 to xn table. We have to use derivative formula. Here we have to use the Bessel's derivative formula. The formula for derivative, Bessel's derivative formula. Bessel's derivative formula. Bessel's derivative formula. dy by dx equal to 1 divided by h of delta y0 minus 1 divided by 4 delta square y minus 1 plus delta square y0 plus 1 divided by 12 delta cube y minus 1 plus 1 divided by 24 delta 4y minus 2 plus delta 4y minus 1. P value, corresponding P value, P equal to x minus x0 divided by h. Okay, here x value, we can take the center value minus x0 value, x0 value 0.04, x minus 0.04 divided by h value 0.01, 0.01. Now we have to find out the difference table. We have to find out the difference table. X value and y, x given 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, 0.04, 0.05 and 0.06. The corresponding y value 0.1023, 0.1047, 0.1071, 0.1096, 0.1122, 0.1148. First we have to find out the p value. P value means the given 0.04. This is the center of the value. Okay, the center of the value. We have to use this formula. X value, we can take this one 0.04 minus 0.04 minus 0.04 minus 0.04 divided by 0.01. Now result is 0. Next, x value 0.03 minus 0.01 divided by 0.01 equal to minus 0.01 divided by 0.01 equal to 1. This is for minus 1, this is for minus 2 and this is for minus 3. And the corresponding this one plus 1 value and this is for plus 2 value. Next, delta y value, the difference between these two. Now result is 0.0024. Next, these two difference 0.0024. Next, difference between these two result is 0.0025. Difference between these two 0.0026, and difference between these two 0.0026. Next, delta square y, difference between these two 0.0. Next, difference between these two 0.0001. Difference between these two 0.0001. Difference between these two 0.0. All the value 0. Delta cube y, difference between these two is 0.0001. Difference between these two 0, and difference between these two minus 0.001. Next, delta power 4y, difference between these two minus 0.0001, and difference between these two minus 0.0001. Next, delta power 4. Next, delta power 4y, delta power 4y we already find out. Next, delta power 5, delta power 5y, difference between these two, now result is 0.0. Okay, now in formula required delta y, delta square y minus 1, delta square y naught, and delta cube y minus 1, delta power y minus 2, and delta power y minus 1. So in difference table, first we have to start with the p value minus 3. Okay, this is for minus 3, this is for minus 2, and this is for minus 1, this is for 0, and this is for 1. Okay, and this is for delta square y minus 3, this is for minus 3, and this is for minus 2. In formula, delta square y minus 1, y naught value required. So this is for delta square y minus 1 and y minus 2 delta, and delta cube require y minus 1. We have to start with minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Next, delta power 4 require y minus 2 and y minus 1. This is for delta power 4 y minus 3, and this is for y minus 2. But required y minus 1 and y minus 2. And delta power 5 start with delta power y minus 3. Delta power y minus 3. All the value substitute in formula. 1 divided by h, 1 divided by h only 0.01 divided by, in formula delta y naught value 0.0026 minus 1 divided by 4 within bracket delta square y minus 1, delta square y minus 1 value 0.001 plus delta square y naught value 0.0 plus 1 divided by 2 delta cube y minus 1, delta cube y minus 1 value minus 0.0001 plus 1 divided by 24 delta power 4 y minus 2 plus delta power 4 y minus 1. But in difference table only delta power y minus 2 available. So we can put 0.0001, and then this is for 1 divided by 0.01, we can divide, we can get the result 100 within bracket 0.0026 minus, add these two, that result divided by 4, it will get 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 5 minus this result divided by 12. This result divided by 12, we can get the result 8.3333 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Next, this result divided by 24, get minus 4.1667 into 10 to the power of minus 6, and then add this value and multiply with 100, you'll get the result 0.25625. This is the result of f dash of 0.04 by using Bessel's derivative formula. Thank you.